Before we continue reading, we're going to review the questions that we need to answer. Number 5, how did the Japanese show respect to the kami? Number 6, what clan was Prince Shotoku from? Number 7, why did Shotoku model the Japanese government on that of China? And number 8, what was the goal of Shotoku's constitution? Shinto became closely linked to Japan's monarchy. The emperor's duties included taking part in Shinto rituals. These actions were intended to help protect Japan and make sure the country was successful. Shinto still affects the Japanese people. Because of it, they have a love of nature. It also has influenced their desire for simplicity, cleanliness, and good manners. Prince Shotoku. About 8600, a Yamato prince named Shotoku ruled Japan. He wanted to give Japan a strong, well-organized government. He created a constitution, or a plan of government. The constitution made the emperor an all-powerful ruler. The Japanese were expected to obey the emperor. The constitution laid out specific rules about how people should do their duties. They were based on the writings of Confucius. Shotoku admired Chinese civilization. He wanted the Japanese to learn from it. Officials and students studied Buddhism as well as Chinese art, philosophy, and medicine. Shotoku's reforms: created a constitution, made emperor an all-powerful ruler, modeled government on that of China. Even after Shotoku died, Japanese officials used China as a model. In AD 646, the Yamato began the Taika. The Taika is a word that means great change. Under this plan, Japan was divided into provinces, or regional districts. Officials in the provinces reported to the emperor. All farmland was placed under the emperor's control. While clan leaders could still direct farmers' work, they could no longer collect taxes. Government officials took over that job. The Taika reforms created the first strong central government in Japan.